How to transfer money to bank account from Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer money to your bank account from Cash App, so you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to transfer money to bank account from Cash App, you want to make sure to open the Cash App first. Now to do this, you must have already linked a bank account. So first, just go to the linked account sections from the bottom of the screen. Make sure to add your debit card or maybe your credit card even, or maybe also your bank account in and of itself. And once you've entered either of these three details, you want to simply come back to the Cash App homepage, and here you'll find the button that says Cash Out from the top right. Just tap on the little Cash Out button. Once you do so, it'll ask you to enter the amount of cash that you want to withdraw to your bank account. So just enter the funds that you would like, and you can also choose the delivery method such as instant, which of course occupies a $0.38 fee depending upon the value of your transaction as well. You can also choose another standard options or anything else that you might want to do. So once you select your delivery method, you can just choose the option called done, and now over here you can see that this much dollar was instantly deposited to your bank account. If you need it instantly, it is going to increase the fee, but it is going to get your job done. Or for a standard transfer, it is going to take a couple of days and then hopefully get your money to your bank account. And that's all it takes to transfer money to a bank account from your Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.